When you get told you've got cancer, it absolutely floors you.
I Aotearoa nei, ko te nuinga o ngā mate o ngā kaipatu ahi, ka takea mai ngā mate pukupuku.
I applied for cover, to have this as a work-related cancer, and I can tell you it didn't get recognised.
It's awful to think our firefighters at their greatest time of need are not concentrating on their treatment, not spending the precious last days with their families. It's an unintended consequence of the current legislation.
Koira te take ai whakarewa a Mike Davidson I tōna pire mema ki tāmaki makaurau I te rā nei. Ka tuku te pire I te āwhina a te kaporeihana āwhina hunga whara ki ngā kaipatu ahi o Whakaratonga Iwi e pāngia ana e ngā mate pukupuku e hāngai ana ki a rātou mahi.
It is not fair that you have to prove that your job caused your cancer. There's so much work they have to do that, truthful, all their previous work history to try and locate a fire that caused the cancer, and so we're shifting that onus onto ACC.
It's just virtually nonsense to ask firefighters to identify fires where that could have occurred. And it's a great misunderstanding that you have to go to a big dirty fire like a recycling plant or something, which there are plenty of, in order to contract occupational cancer. It's the day-to-day structure fires, residential car fires, etc., that they are just as great a risk.
Nā ngā rangahau I whakakotahi ai ngā kōrero o Aotearoa me te ao, kua kitea he nui ake te tūraru o ngā kaipatu ahi ki ētahi momo mate pukupuku. E kotahi raumārua pai hēneti te pikinga mō te mate pukupuku raho, e rua te kaumāwaru pai hēneti mō te mate pukupuku repetātea, a e toru te kaumārua pai hēneti mō te mate pukupuku roro, kua kitea Watty Watson I te putanga mai o e nei pānga.
Firefighters can never be fully protected. The uniforms that they wear when they're fighting a fire has to breathe, otherwise they would die from metabolic heat build-up, so that they absorb through the smoke, through those uniforms, through their skin, through the water in their eyes, that they absorb those toxins.
We've all seen MPs across the political spectrum be very vocal in the support of firefighters. Well, actions speak louder than words.
This bill will be the biggest assistance and most important change for firefighters for generations to come.
Kei roto I tēnei pire a te Mema Pāremata, ngā mate pukupuku e rua te kaumātahi, e hono ana ki ngā matū tāoke, ka pā ki ngā kaipatu ahi I a rātou mahi. Me tīpako tuatahi te pire mā te pōti a te Pāremata, ka tahi ka haere ki te pānuitanga tuatahi. Ora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
What do we want?
ACC cover!
When do we want it?
Now!
Mate.
Got it. Thank you.
Ko te reo